Okay, hi, good afternoon. I am Christine Santos and I'm managing the export business of Belo Essentials. So essentially, Belo Essentials has been in the market since 2007. We are under the umbrella of Belo Medical Group, and we are, the biggest, or we are the makers of the star here in the Philippines. So anyway, we're very happy that we have Wriggle here in our office and really looking forward for our partnership in the future. So we've actually started with the presentation of the items. We are very pleased with the website that we have, with the website that has been presented to me. And so I'm very excited for our expansion in Bangladesh. So see you guys soon. Have a Belo beautiful day.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll be sending this to you anyway. Okay, so for classic whitening, this is what we've started with. But for you, since I've seen your store or your website, I would recommend the first few items that we've discussed. Because this one is really good for the retail stores.
Okay.
So if you're actually gonna bring in the items to groceries, hypermarkets, this would be the best fit. And then we have Underarm Care. So this is the one I'm telling you. So this one also works for the private parts. They actually use it on the private parts, also on your armpit, areola. So
these are complete in one set or separate products?
Separate SKUs.
So this one is facial, right?
Yeah, that's the special one. That's the underarm whitening cream. But it's also listed in the product packaging where it states it's also good for your privates.
Okay.
Good afternoon. Yes.
Sir, I'm here to introduce to you the Butexer for your skincare, more on moisturizer, vitamin C for brightening, anti-aging. And Skin Glow, you have glowy skin. And we also have multi-collagen, is concentrated for...
So, do you have any lips shading, any kind of product or cream so that the dark lips will become pinkish?
We also have skincare like this one. Skin BYS with a micellar cleanser toner. Like that for face cream. We also have a set like this one. It's limited edition. If you want to see this, it's good for the...
Yes.
Yeah, that is big size, and this one is for trial.
What is the benefit of the product?
The benefit is hypoallergenic for your skin. That's why it's good for you to use this product.
Okay.
A BYS skin, it's made from Korea. So, and we also have a BYS cosmetic.
Which brand is too good? And which brand product result is coming first? Which brand?
That is brand is BYS Skin.
This brand is very high quality in its Watson, right?
Yeah.
No, Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
For entertaining.
Thank you.